What's mommy's name?
Fish.
How about daddy's name?
Rick.
How about your name?
Yes.
How about Lola's name?
Lola.
How about Tita's name?
Miri.
Wow, honey, that's impressive. What's Tito's name? Tito's name? High five. Good job, my love. Well done. Very smart,
Tita
Lola. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So late kami nagising today kasi alam niyo na weekend, yun lang yung time natin na makapag-sleep in. Anyways, nandito tayo ngayon sa kitchen kasi nagluluto si ate nyo ng lunch. Late lunch na to siya guys kasi nga late kami gumising. And pakita ko sa inyo guys, nagluluto ako ngayon ng manok na sinabawang manok. It is now boiling. Ayan. Tapos ito, ano lang, yung Knorr cubes na chicken. And then, lagyan lang natin ng pichay. Ayan. At ang ating anak ay, ayan, tingnan nyo yung ginawa niya, oh. Anak! Oh, bring it there, go! Go. Tapos, Daddy Mike ay nanonood ng movie. And our rice is now luto. Ayan, luto na siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Marami akong niluto kasi alam kong meron tayong sinabawang manok. And alam niyo na sa weather na to guys. Tingnan niyo oh. Super dilim sa labas. And it has been raining. Kita niyo ba guys? Yan yung likuran namin. See, outside it's looking miserable. Sobrang maulan. Tingnan niyo oh. Plano pa naman sana namin pumunta ng grocery shop kasi may mga kailangan kami dito sa bahay. We'll see. Kasi sobrang ginaw sa labas. While hinihintay ko yung sabaw natin guys, iinitin ko muna tong saba banana. Ayan. So may tatlo pa ako naiwan dito kasi the other day, kinain ko yung tatlo. Initin natin para may makain muna tayo. Maghuhugasin pala ako ng pinggan. Yan yung ginagawa namin sa weekend. Kayo guys, anong ginagawa niyo tuwing weekend? How do you spend your weekends? Dito sa bahay, lalo na ngayon kasi lockdown. Linis-linis lang kami ng bahay. Anyways, gawin ko muna to guys ha. Chika tayo mamaya. Nak, did you have a good nap, Nak? Baba? Baby girl. Say hi sa honeybee.
Hi.
Hi, friends. I just hi, friends. Busy siya sa kanyang iPad. Iko-continue ko lang yung ating chika before, guys. So, yun nga. Umuwi kami ng Pilipinas when Paris was 8 or 9 months. So, yung ginawa namin, pinapunta ko yung mama ko, tsaka yung sister ko, and my little brother, tapos yung anak ng kuya ko na babae sa Maynila. Tapos, doon nila kami minit sa Naiya. Guys, first time na i-meet ni Paris yung family ko no that time. Pero hindi talaga siya umiyak. Like, alam nyo minsan yung mga bata, parang nababaguhan sa mukha, ganun. But I think with Paris, kahit nung buntis pa ako kay Paris, palagi kami nagtatawagan ng family ko, palagi kami nagvi-video call, kaya parang naano siguro siya, parang nasanay siya sa boses, tsaka sa mukha ng pamilya ko. Nung dumating kami ng airport, like seriously, my mom, obviously no, kasi lola siya, diretso siya kay Paris, and hindi talaga umiyak si Paris. Like, Paris was very happy to see them. And I think like dahil yun sa ito nga, yung contact nga regularly. Din, kaya ngayon, si Paris ay very close sa pamilya ko kasi I make sure na palagi kaming nag-uusap na kahit hindi man everyday, hindi man every gabi-gabi talaga, but at least every other day. Kaya ngayon si Paris ay tinuturuan ko ring magbisaya, kinakausap ko siya ng Bisaya kasi nag-request talaga yung mama ko. Naturuan ko daw si Paris na magbisaya kasi ayaw daw niyang mag-nosebleed. Mag-nosebleed pag uwi namin sa Pilipinas next time. Tapos si Paris hindi makaintindi ng Bisaya. Kaya ngayon, everyday, binibisaya ko talaga si Paris para naman maintindihan niya. And I think like naiintindihan niya ako. Siguro si Paris mahihirapan lang siyang magsalita in Bisaya. But I think she understands pag nagbibisaya ako. And yun lang yung very important sa akin. Kahit hindi man siya makapagsalita ng Bisaya, at least makaintindi siya. And ngayon, pag naririnig ni Paris na mag-ring yung phone ko, sinasabi niya na, wawa, o tita, ganun. Kasi ini-expect niya talaga na kausap namin yung tita at lola niya kapag tumatawag kami sa Facebook. What's that? Ay, hi guys! Hi guys! Late akong nag-nap guys. Where's your eyes, Nak? Where's your eyes? What's the color of your eyes?
Green.
Green!
Green.
Ano pataka? Ano pataka? It's black.
It's black.
That's right.
Rose.
Black. What's the color of your hair?
Black.
It's not black.
It's brown.
It's brown.
Look at my.
What's Mama's hair color? Brown. Where's your tummy? Where? Where's your didi?
Right there.
What's there?
It's there.
Yes. Ay, sobrang saya ko talaga na I'm feeling better now. Oh my Lord. Like, seriously, my voice now, right? Hindi na siya, parang ngungo. Wala na talaga akong, sipon. Ayan, oh, clear na siya. Ikaw, Nak, do you have sipon, Nak?
No.
No? No? How to blow your nose? Achoo. Achoo. Wala na talaga. And, Mike is now feeling better now, too. That's why I'm very glad. Kahit lockdown man, there are things talaga na dapat ting ikasaya, 'di ba? Kahit lockdown, hindi kami maka-alis-alis, hindi kami makalaag-laag ni Paris. Nak, no? No, we can't go feed the duck, Nak. Nak. Baba, do you wanna feed the turkey, mate?
But fishing that. Fishing that can make easy to the bread.
Yeah, that's right. They eat the bread.
That's the main.
Yeah.
That's the bit.
What was the color of the duck when we were there? Hmm?
Black.
Black, that's right. It was a swan.
What?
Ikaw swan.
It's round.
That's right.
It's big.
It's big, exactly.
I can't do that cat.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, get ready, my duck.
Yeah, white duck.
Okay, a big duck.
A big duck. It's a swan.
It's big.
It's big. Big bad mouse.
No, big girl.
Big ruffalo, is it?
A big bad nose.
A mouse.
A big bad nose.
A big bad mouse.
Hmm?
Gabi?
Big one, the nose.
Yeah. Kakayungit naman ka na ko, eh.
Sayang tip.
Hello guys, akong mama on call. Video call, say hi ma.
Hello!
Kani kay klaro-klaro gamay last time kay pikit-pikit.
Evening! Salamat pagsunod sa iyang vlog!
Tagalog ma kay Tagalog itong mga subscribers. Tagalog.
Salamat sa pagsubaybay! Pagsubaybay! Salamat tayo sa pagsubaybay sa vlog ni Miss Juby.
Hmm.
Sana magdaghan pagid mo.
Ana, sana magdagang pagid mo. Hala, Tagalog.
Nag-vlog si ate na balik. Nakikita rin ina yung mga kwan.
Hi guys! I all subscribers! Please, please subscribe! Subscribe my auntie vlog! And please click the notification bell! And please like! And please like! And... Hello, my daddy! Bye! For your support! Thank you for supporting all my vlog! And I thank you!
Buang. Mana akong manghod nga. Kuan, guys, kulokoy. Among kamanghuran. Kani isang bata, anak. What are you doing? Clock. Clock. Manang ipatubang ang clock diha. Nga nag-studio to sa imong lula. Nara akong pag-umangkon, guys. Oh, isa. Pakita. Ma, si Katkat. Kani isang bata kay Gaarti, oh.
Come on, the bed.
Agi, kantahin mo, sige.
One little monkey's jumping on the bed. One fell off. And bumped his head. Mama, doctor said.
Okay, say. Nino. Nino.
Na, ambulance. Ambulance, saan siya? Hoy, the doctor said. What did the doctor say?
Nino. Nino.
Nino.
Love you, Monkey. Come on the bed.
Say, no more.
Monkey. Come on the bed. Come on the bed.
A monkey jumping in the bed. How about Miss Polly had a jolly hoo? Sick, sick,
No,
sick.
no, no, no.
Little Paris wants to play.
Okay. First, Monkey. Come on the bed. Apa?
Ay, lalag, hayang-hayang na lang siya, Sierra. Di man magkanta.
Okay, Monkey.
Huh? Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
Hello? No, no, Monkey. Come on the bed. First, Monkey. Come on the bed. Apa?
Another song. Sorry, careful, oy. Hi, Pag. Good evening.
among vlog. Nara, ingon nila, oh, nga, parehag na may Paris. Siya daw nanganak ng Paris.
Tita, sino?
Pag, Pag.
Who's that, nak? Who's that, nak?
Tita, sino?
Tita, what's Tita's name?
Yung,
What's Tita's name?
Mia.
Huh?
Mia.
Mia? What's your Mia?
Come on.
Huh? What's Tita's name?
Come on.
Mimi.
Mimi.
Babe, what's Tita's name?
Mimi.
That's right, Mimi.
Mimi.
Par. Shoutout lang to, tita. Kawan.
Sure tang, Tita.
Best heart.
Shoutout.
Huy, where's your tang daw?
9, 10. 9.
Ta, kanta niyo ABCD ta. ABCD.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
Okay. Okay.
K,
Tama na.
L.
I, M, Ow.
O.
Oh, me, yeah.
Na.
Put-put.
Hi again, guys. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit. It is currently, anong oras na ba? It's 11:48 na ng gabi. And malapit na siyang mag-midnight. Kami mga Dracula ay gising pa. Si Baby Paris pala ay tulog na. Kanina pa siyang tulog. And late kaming matutulog ni Mike ngayon. Kasi kani-kanina lang umalis na yung, anong tawag? How do you call that guy, honey?
A plumber.
Plumber. Yung plumber ay nandito kasi Mike's tais. Mike's tae block the toilet, the inodoro is. Kaya yun, kailangan namin tumawag ng plumber. Kaya hindi kami makaudo, hindi kami makaihi doon sa sa toilet kasi block man siya. Did he fix it, Daddy?
No.
He said Mike's poo is too big. It blocked the toilet. But yeah, I think they're going to come back tomorrow or Monday kasi kailangan nilang i-fix more.
Okay, they have to remove your poo.
They have to remove Daddy Mike's poo. Hindi kasi na-block daw yung storage, pampuno na siguro yung storage kaya na-block na yung tubig ba. Ngayon pag nagwiwiwi kami, doon kami sa sa labas or sa sa shower na lang. Anyways, guys, hindi pa rin ako maka-move on sa ating 10K subscribers. Maraming salamat talaga, guys. Do you wanna say thank you, Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
Say thank you ba?
Thank you, Bah.
Kulungo mo niya.
Kulamonya niya. Kulamonya.
Kulungo.
Kulamo.
Ko.
Ko.
Lo.
Lo.
Ngo.
Nyo.
Ngo.
No. Kulano. Give it up, mates.
Say thank you, ba, because they subscribe. Thank you very much.
Thank you for...
Thank you. But can you please, for once in your life, just, say thank you.
Thank you.
Sis, that's not you. Say thank you properly, ba? The real you.
Yes.
Say,
Thank you for making Jovi very happy. And when Jovi's happy, I'm happy. So thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Oh. I'm feeling that shit. Bob, can you make me sandwich?
Tanto first.
Uy! Uy, buang mo na siya. Bastos tingin na siya na.
Tanto the sandwich.
Guys, joke lang na siya, guys. Habasin. Wag niyong, wag niyong seryoso kasi buang man to siya good minsan. Anyways, gagawa muna ako ng sandwich, guys. Uy, kasi nagugutom ako. Could you make sandwich, Daddy?
Yes.
Okay, say bye-bye. Good night.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Say thank you because they're saying that I hope you're feeling better and all. So
Thank you
should
for your
say-
concerns, guys.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it.
you're better now, yeah?
Not really. I'm a little bit better, but I'm okay.
Yeah, but you're better.
Yeah. I don't have COVID.
That's right. That's the main. Alright. Okay.
Now I've just got a desperate heart.
Oh, what?
A desperate heart for my love, for my.
Diyan mo rin kang buang eh.
Can we sit down and cuddle
Yeah.
and cuddle? Can we sit down and cuddle, please?
Buang mga oy. Kulungo gid na siya, guys.
Kulang mo.
Pagpasensyahan niyo talaga yan si Mike, guys, kasi joker na joker yan siya. Ganyan talaga yan siya pag hindi masama yung pakiramdam niya. Kaya, I'm very happy. Anyways, guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito kasi malapit na siya mag 12 o'clock and biglang mabangit yung mukha natin ngayon dito kasi magta-transform na tayo. Joke lang, guys. Pangit naman talaga tayo. Once again, guys, gusto ko lang kayong pasalamatan sa lahat ng suporta na binibigay niyo sa amin ng pamilya ko. We are very happy na umabot tayo ng 10K and sana dumami pa tayo ng dumami, guys. I'll just do a quick shout out, guys, para sa ating mga mahal na subscribers na gustong magpa-shout out. And we're going to start with Rosana Hidalgo. Shout out to Rina Mabatid. Ima Jane B. Talusig from Hong Kong. Shout out to Jumel Torno. Shout out to Mary Jane Manato. Gladys Mandanhuyan. Janice Dayaw from Camiguin, Mindanao. Shout out to Helen Abiertas. Shout out to Evelyn Buena, LM, Lina De Los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Philippines. And shout out to Flora Ferrer, Elsie Maglangit, Nori Aliada, Melba Musni. Shout out to Elenita Ponzalan from Florida Blanca. Shout out to Juvel Makilan. Shout out to Mary Jean Labarca, Mayet Escame, Guapo Henrich, Nita Orapa, Aida Harin, Inday Chenchen Vlogs, Janet Gordon, Maria Los Florimonte, Roxanne Montañez Fernandez, Jaquilo Bukida, Nens Mabugay, Chas Blog, Nene Jean, Janet Marasigan. Shout out to Cherry Ramos from Omboy, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Shout out din sa member ng family niya, Boy, Cherry, Ira, Richard, and Christian Ramos. So, shout out sa inyo dyan. God bless everyone. And shout out sa ating mga bagong subscribers, Jose De Leon, Margie Morauda. Shout out to Catalina Rabida, Lailani Gilin, Rosemary La Rosa, Joliver Bigtasin, Diana Jane Bravo, Lizelle Iga, Marilu Corpus, Cindy Tan, Michelle Palayon, Norberta Nono, Ophel Hernandez, Mylene Franco, Lerma Cerezo, Joris M, Lolita Dabo, Sonia Laison, Violi S, Daisy Kalumpita, ang dakilang aswang of Capiz. Ay, naku. Grabe ang pangalan mo, Sisi. Ana Damate, Jonalyn Torres, G. Santos, Rosalinda San Gabriel, Elsa Navales, Marisol Dayaw, Teodora Algas, Jay Cruz, Moiren Bumaya Ladera, Catherine Irojo, Alicia Aljane Antenorio. And also guys, special mention sa aking mga mangho dito sa YouTube, Giselle, Amy and Anthony, and Lolly's family. I hope na ma-check nyo rin yung channel nila guys, kasi for sure mai-enjoy nyo rin yung vlogs nila. Anyways, that's about it for today's video guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!